What's up, superstars? On this video, I'm going to give you a money-saving tip on what you should do if you own a heat press. Whether it's a pull-out or a clamshell heat press, one of the things that is often overlooked is to keep your heat press clean. Now, this rag is super dirty, but it is a microfiber cloth. You want to make sure that you add into your routine to make sure that you wipe down all the edges, all the corners of the heat press, because the last thing that you want to happen while you're working with a job is to get a stain like this. So this happened on the back of the shirt, something that is often overlooked. Somebody can easily load the shirt, one of your employees for example, get the shirt pressed on and then accidentally deliver it to your customer. And if it's a light color garment like I was mentioning, you're gonna get an absolute horrible stain like this that's not gonna come off. Now what's worse about this as well is if this happens, then if you're also on a time crunch, you're not going to be able to deliver on time. Not only that, but to replace a shirt, imagine having to pay for the shirt and also $10 to $15 to get this shipped. That's going to cut away at your profits, so you don't want to do that. So again, whether you're doing light color, dark color garments, you want to make sure that you wipe your heat presses clean. We do this again on a weekly basis, even after every few days, especially in the dusty environment. Just wipe it down completely. I hope this video helps. Let me know what you guys think. This is again a money saving tip. I'll catch you guys on the next one.